Royals, welcome back. Today I'm showing how I achieved this beautiful small knotless braid style on myself. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know every time I upload. Let's get right into it. So what I've done to make it easy on myself is I have pre-parted a row, went ahead and made my sections. Every other piece I go ahead and clip it up so that it's out of the way and it doesn't get pulled into the braid beside it. And I just tap a little braid gel on the top for control and sleekness, and then I go ahead and feed in my 3 strands of hair. It's already long 30-inch pre-stretched braiding hair, so I don't have to worry about adding in as I go. Another thing about the braiding hair is that I used 4 packs of 2. Like each pack had 2 bundles in it, and they had a pretty good amount of hair in each bundle. Okay, so all of the braids that I've done to this point, the way that I was able to achieve my clean parts was using 2 mirrors. I had a handheld mirror and the big one on the wall. And I would feel my way through the part first and then just come through and clean it up afterwards. Just check in and double check in the mirror. Something I did for neatness and control with my hair, since it's natural and like half the length of the braids, was I added edge control or braiding gel to the hair and kind of combed through it when I needed to, but also tucked to make sure my hair was securely protected and tucked away. Alright, so now I'm in the last section of my hair. With these front braids, it's usually 3 when I get to this part. I like to make them triangles just for ease of styling. I just like the look that it gives. My clients tend to like it as well because they have so much flexibility with the way that they can style their hair. Now another key that I've been doing the whole time is braiding all the way down. It makes sure that my braids don't unravel, they don't have humps and bumps in them, and it's so much sleeker when I go ahead and dip it. It just gives it a really smooth finished look. If you've ever braided your own hair before, comment down below what tips and tricks you use to make it go easier for yourself and to achieve a really sleek, smooth finish. Alright, so at this point we're pretty much done. I just have to do my finishing touches, which would be my oils, my mousse, my baby hair, and trimming any stray hairs. But it is very much bricked. Look at it on myself. I'm so happy with the finished product. I've always wanted small knotless braids, but I never had the patience before to do it. But I'm so proud. I did this through my baby. You know, my 13-month-old, crying. She was missing me because she was like, "Where you going, mommy? Why are you grabbing braided hair instead of grabbing me?" So it got done, and I love it. Alright, Royals, so we are done at this point. Excuse Kobe, she's in the background begging for cereal. But I'm just dipping my hair in the hot water now in the kettle. I didn't let it get as hot as I could have because it was boiling forever. I was like, can the ding hurry up and come on this electric kettle? It never came, so I decided to go ahead and dip it. I may dip it again just to get the ends a little bit straighter, but I love the outcome. They're so neat. The braids are smooth all the way through. The parts are staggered the way they're supposed to be. It actually looks close to how I do it on my clients. My braids are, the parts are a little more precise on my clients because I can actually see it very well with my own eye. But to have done it on myself behind my back and with mirrors and things like that, I think I did a great job. Comment down below to let me know what you think about the outcome of this style. I like to dip in sections. It just makes it more easy to manage, and it makes sure that I can get my hair as straight as possible, even if in this case the water isn't as hot as I would want it to be. That's my little hack for if the water didn't get hot enough, how to still get straight ends. Right now I'm just cleaning up the stray hairs that are on the braids at the end. just so it could be really smooth and it won't get frizzy. If you're in the DMV or Richmond, Virginia area and you'd like a studio visit, every service includes shampoo treatment, optional trim prior to styling. We also include hair and luxury strip lashes as well. All natural products that promote hair growth are also used. Just go to www.diamondvenombraids.co. Now that everything's dipped and nice and ready to go, I'm going ahead and hitting it with some mousse. Now, just in case you didn't notice off to the sides of the video, DVA Boss Lab is the braiding school that I came up with, and it's more than a braiding school. It's more of a boot camp for stylists, and it's perfect for the new cosmetologist that hasn't built up their clientele yet, or the braider that just started or is experienced but has reached like a kind of plateau in their growth and they want to see things go a little farther for them. We help you with everything from skills to branding to business development, also professionalism, customer service, all the things that are going to help you 10x your brand and take your business to the next level. To get more information about it, just go to www.dvabosslab.com and you'll learn the following: healthy hair care, proper sanitation, various braid styles, how to stand out in a saturated market, effective pricing so that you don't have to work your fingers to the bone. Like I said, business plan, branding, marketing, gaining clientele, retaining clientele, growing and scaling your brand, and much more. Now, what you see me applying to my hair right now are growth drops. Those are awesome and they really do work. That's why I'm going ahead to put them in, but I usually only do it right after I finish the style, and then I go on with booster after that throughout the duration of wearing the style. Only other thing I want to point out is you see the pink arrow pointing to these scrubs. They are brought to you by Scrubs 365. That's where we get our scrubs from for our school. They're really stylish, they fit well, and I love them. They feel great, high quality. Go ahead and check them out if you're in a medical profession or any profession that requires you to wear a scrub. We do it here at the Boss Lab just because it's a sign of professionalism, and we like to just be in unison and all look like we're there for the same purpose. You also see me putting some oil on my hair. This is what I call a oil, not an oil, but hair perfume. That's what I call it. It just smells really great. It smells like summertime and apples. I know we're in the fall now, but it could pass for an apple pie or it could pass for a candy apple in the summertime, but it smells great. And I love to finish the braids off with it. It's like a essential oil, but not one of the pungent ones that you'll normally find. I like to hit my braids with the blow dryer at the end just so that I don't have a wet back at the end of the style, because that's the worst feeling in the world. Now I'm just going on to finesse these baby hairs. What really helped me to be able to achieve a sleek look with my edges was shampooing and treating and moisturizing prior to braiding my hair. So now the edge control was down first, and then I just go behind the edge control with a slight bit of Got2b, and then I hit it with foam, and then I'll usually have my clients put on an edge scarf, and that'll freeze everything in place for them. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. You're the real MVP. If you haven't done it already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, remember, every day above ground's a good day, so make it count. Later, Royals.